Welcome to KTA Cookin' on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're gonna make green miso glazed salmon. For the miso glaze, place the white miso paste, mirin, tempura sauce, dry sake, cilantro, garlic, ginger, and lemon zest into a blender and puree until smooth. Place the salmon fillets into a large container and pour the glaze over the fish. Cover with plastic wrap and let marinate for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, preheat oven on high-broil. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Place the salmon fillets on top of the baking sheet and pour the extra marinated glaze evenly over each salmon fillet. Place the salmon in the middle rack of your oven and broil for 6 to 10 minutes. Cooking time may vary depending on the thickness of your fillet and desired doneness. Enjoy this festive green dish for your next St. Patrick's Day celebration. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.